Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can install mods on my summer car. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to nexusmods.com. Now this is where we are going to get most of our mods. From here, the first thing that you want to search up is the MSC loader. Now this will make the entire process easier. So just head over to the files category. From here, click on the manual download, and then you want to finish up downloading the file right here. Now, while we're downloading this file, I'm also going to grab another mod called minimap. So I'll just click on the manual download once more. And as you can see, most of these files will require the MCS loader. So right after downloading the file, you can just go ahead and extract it to a folder, open it up, and from here you then want to open up the mscl installer.exe. Now basically inside this page, you then want to go ahead and select the My Summer Car exe on your computer. So typically this will be located on the Steam folder. In my case, it's going to be inside this specific local disk right here. Click on Steam Apps, Common, and then you want to specifically look for the My Summer car.exe. So after clicking on open it, you will be able to go ahead and install the mod loader right here. So from there, to go ahead and install our mods, you can just go ahead and click on any mods that you see inside Nexus Mods right here. And once again, you can simply just do the same thing. But from here, to install our mods, you then want to copy the DLL files, and you will be able to locate your mod files inside your own documents. Click on My Summer Car, click on mods, and from here you can just go ahead and paste your mods. Once again, you want to make sure that you have installed the MSC loader properly. Just select the exe file for your My Summer Car, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.